Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the Bissell CrossWave X7 Cordless Pet Pro multi-surface wet-dry vacuum with Wi-Fi connectivity. This is a vacuum designed to handle the messiest homes, especially those with pets. It's a wet-dry vacuum that allows you to clean and wash your floors in one go, which means less time spent cleaning and more time relaxing. But how well does it actually perform? Let's dive in. The Bissell CrossWave X7 is packed with features aimed at pet owners who want to clean a variety of surfaces without swapping between different machines. One of its standout features is the cordless design, which provides up to 30 minutes of runtime on a full charge, though that runtime will vary depending on what mode you're using and how often you use the high-power suction. You've also got the option to clean multiple floor types, from tile to sealed wood and laminate, and even refresh your area rugs. All that flexibility is supported by Bissell's durable digital motor, which offers consistent suction power to tackle tough messes. Speaking of messes, the CrossWave X7 comes with a turbo pet mode. This mode boosts suction and releases extra cleaning solution, making it perfect for stubborn pet hair and deeply embedded dirt. If you're a pet parent, you know how challenging it can be to get rid of those tricky pet messes that seem to stick around no matter what you do. This vacuum promises to make light work of those challenges, especially with the included Pet multi-surface formula that adds Febreze freshness to your floors. The CrossWave X7 uses two-tank technology to separate the clean water and formula from the dirty water, pet hair, dirt, and debris. This makes sure you're always working with fresh water, which is a great feature for maintaining cleanliness and hygiene during every cleaning session. Plus, it has a self-cleaning cycle, which helps you keep the machine in top condition without needing too much effort on your part. In terms of usability, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight, tipping the scales at just over 10.5 pounds. That means it's easy to carry from room to room or even between floors. The swivel head design helps you navigate around furniture and corners with ease, and the 9.5-inch cleaning path allows you to cover a good amount of space with every pass. While it's not the widest path out there, it's plenty sufficient for quick cleanups in a busy household. When it comes to real-world testing, the CrossWave X7 delivers solid performance across multiple surfaces. On tile and sealed wood floors, it effortlessly picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair, leaving behind a sparkling clean surface. It even does a good job on area rugs, though it's important to note that it won't quite replace a dedicated deep carpet cleaner for thicker, fluffier rugs. Still, for light maintenance, it handles them well. The Turbo Pet mode shines when dealing with stubborn pet messes. You'll notice the difference in suction when tackling those embedded hairs and sticky spots, which is especially useful for pet owners dealing with shedding fur. There's no denying the convenience of the two-in-one cleaning process, vacuuming and washing at the same time. If you're someone who struggles with cleaning up pet hair and stains, the CrossWave X7 can save you a lot of time. The self-cleaning cycle is a game changer too, preventing you from needing to spend much time cleaning the machine itself. However, while the two-tank system is useful, it does mean you need to be mindful of how much water and solution are in each tank to avoid running out halfway through cleaning. Like any vacuum, the CrossWave X7 has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it offers a fantastic blend of convenience and performance. The cordless design and lightweight build make it easy to handle, while the multi-surface capability means you don't have to buy separate tools for different floors. The Turbo Pet mode is a great asset for those with pets, providing an extra boost when dealing with the toughest messes. The self-cleaning cycle also simplifies maintenance, keeping the vacuum in good condition without much effort on your part. On the downside, the 30-minute runtime might not be enough for larger homes or extensive cleaning sessions. For smaller spaces or quick spot cleans, it's more than sufficient. The 9.5-inch cleaning path, while practical, may be a bit narrow for some people, especially in larger areas where you might prefer a wider coverage. Some users may also find that it struggles with very thick or long carpet piles, so if you have deep carpets throughout your home, this may not be the best option. When it comes to value for money, the Bissell CrossWave X7 sits at a mid-range price point for a cordless wet-dry vacuum. Considering the convenience of cleaning both wet and dry messes simultaneously, as well as the inclusion of pet-specific features, it offers solid value. However, if you're in the market for something with stronger suction for deep carpet cleaning, you might want to look at alternatives in the same price range, like the Dyson V11 Outsize or the Shark Vertex Duo Clean. Both offer more power, but at a higher cost, especially for larger homes with carpeted areas. In comparison to other wet-dry vacuums, the CrossWave X7 holds up well in terms of flexibility and ease of use. Its performance on hard floors and area rugs is comparable to other high-end models, but it does fall short when it comes to deep carpet cleaning. If you're more focused on pet messes and light to medium floor cleaning, though, it's a great choice. As for build quality, the CrossWave X7 feels solid, though not as premium as some higher-end models. The plastic body is sturdy, but you can tell it's designed for practicality rather than luxury. The maintenance is simple, especially with the self-cleaning cycle, and long-term reliability should be decent, though we haven't had enough time with this model to speak to its durability in the long run. Based on Bissell's history, it's safe to expect that it will last for several years with proper care. Customer support for Bissell has generally been reliable, with responsive service and helpful guidance in the event of issues, though we didn't have to contact them directly for this review. It's good to know that Bissell typically offers solid warranty and support options. Finally, the Bissell CrossWave X7 excels for homes with pets and hard floors, offering an easy and efficient way to clean multiple surfaces. Its dual-purpose functionality, lightweight design, and pet-specific features make it a strong contender in the wet-dry vacuum category. However, it may not be the best fit for those with deep carpets or who need a vacuum with longer runtime for larger homes. If you're looking for something that can handle pet messes across a variety of floor types and want the convenience of a wet-dry vacuum, the CrossWave X7 is a solid choice that offers great value for the money. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in the Bissell CrossWave X7, the link is in the comments box. Let us know if you've tried it or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep those floors clean, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews right here on Reviews Inside TV.